Do you want me to show you how you can actually make money by helping small businesses? And no, I'm not talking about doing their Facebook ads and getting them more leads. What if I told you you could get them free money and you could get a cut of it? I'm going to show you how that's done right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison here, and welcome to this training. I am super excited because today I'm going to teach you how you can make money helping small businesses succeed at a higher level. And you can do this without spending any money and without selling these businesses anything. So no, I'm not about to teach you how to do SEO. I'm not about to teach you how to build an agency. I'm not about to teach you how to get them more leads and more clients and all of that. No, completely different. You've probably never heard of this before, but I'm going to break down for you how you can help small businesses get free money from the government that they are owed, and you can get paid to do it. And it's completely risk-free for the business, and it costs them absolutely nothing. Look, we're just implementing a very basic strategy called affiliate marketing. If you've been in the affiliate marketing space, then you know that that's where a company has a product that they want to sell, and they need more customers, and they basically create affiliates, people like you and I, to help them get more customers. And they pay us a commission to do that. So if Apple wants to sell more of these little Apple pencils, they could let affiliates do it, and let's say the Apple pencil's $100, Apple could pay us 15% commission on it. Every pencil that I sell, I make $15. I could spend my lifetime and not make enough money to basically buy a nice meal somewhere. But hey, that's affiliate marketing for you. The problem with affiliate marketing is that most of the commissions are really small. They're not recurring for the most part, right? Doesn't mean there's not any, but they're not recurring for the most part. They're super small, and they require you to sell something. Hardest thing in the world to do. Hey, will you pull out your wallet and buy something? That is so difficult. With this program, there is absolutely no selling. You might be thinking to yourself, how in the world can you get paid high-ticket commissions? Not low commissions, not $3 and $4, high-ticket commissions. How is it that you can get that if there's literally no money being spent? I'm going to break it down for you right now. Let's go to my whiteboard. I'm going to show you how this is done. And at the end of this training, I'm going to show you how you can have this course right here completely free, chock full of exactly how to do this. No, it is not a free trial. No, it is not something that you pay for later. It is completely free, 110%. Let me show you why. Basically, during COVID, the government put out two programs. One was called the PPP program. One was called the ERC program. This program was a loan. This program is a credit, which means it is not a loan. It doesn't have to be paid back. Most everybody took this because the banks were doing this. If you were alive during COVID, you heard the PPP, right? So many people went and got PPP loans. At the time, if you got a PPP loan, you could not get the ERC. Basically, you can't have both, okay? That was the rule. You couldn't have both. Now, the rule has changed. The rule changed, okay? And that rule says you can have both. But let's just be honest, okay? Let's just be honest. COVID has passed us, for the most part, and now people are not talking about the devastation that happened to these small businesses. People are not talking about the small business owners that still have not been able to rebound from the disaster that was 2019, 2020, 2021. Like, they haven't been able to rebound from it. So the new administration said, hey, we need to help small businesses a little bit more. So instead of not allowing them to have the ERC money, we're going to allow them to get ERC money even if they got a PPP loan. Do you hear that on the news every day? Are you seeing that every time you turn your TV on? No. We're past that, right? On to some new topic that's important, that's going to get views and clicks. We're not pushing the information to the small business owner that doesn't know that this ERC money exists to help them. That's where you come in, and that's how you can make money right now without selling a single thing in this program. So basically, the ERC program has hundreds of millions of dollars allocated for small businesses. It's a payroll tax credit. So it is not free money from the government. It is a refund, okay? Now, obviously, there are a lot of businesses. We'll just call these people over here. These are all businesses, right? Okay? And then there's the ERC money. All right, so this is the ERC money. The goal is to help these businesses. How do we help these businesses get this money? Okay? Well, One of the biggest issues for business getting this money is filling out the paperwork and knowing how much do they qualify for. How much can they get? How do they get that money? So there's a company that's set up, okay? And this company helps businesses do the paperwork and file for the money, okay? This company is designed to do nothing but help these business owners get this money. But the company, well, that company needs to reach more businesses. And that's where you come in. This is you. You basically get those businesses and send them to this company, okay? This company does all the work for them for free, okay? So the process to getting the money, completely free. They will do the paperwork, they will talk to the business owner, they will advise the business owner, they do everything for this business owner completely free. The only time that they get paid is if that business owner actually gets a check in their hands. And I want you to pay attention to me when I say this. They don't get paid unless the business owner is holding the check in their hand that they got in ERC credits. That is when the business will pay this company for the service. So it's completely free to the business owner. You're not going to a business owner saying, hey, can you pay me $50? We'll do this. No, it's free. Risk-free and free. Somebody else will do all the work for you. And it's complicated. It's not easy. I was talking to my attorney and he said, I was asking him, hey, is this valid? Can I share this with my audience? And he's like, dude, I did the same thing. I used the company and they filled out all the paperwork for me. It was just it was too much for me. And so, yeah, they took a percentage of it, and as soon as I get my ERC refund, I owe them that percentage. What is that percentage? Well, basically, however much your refund amount, okay, you take the refund amount, that's the ERC credit refund, so just say ERC refund amount, they're going to take 10 to 30% is their fee, okay? So 10 to 30% is their fee. So if we give an example, okay, if a business gets, let's say the business owner gets $2 million, okay? And this is not an uncommon thing, by the way. I mean, we have business owners that that our students have sent through that qualified or so far are at the point where they're like $7.5 million. So this is not, an uncommon thing. Let's say the fee is 20%, okay? Well, then that fee is going to be $400K, okay? So this company right here will get $400K whenever the business gets the $2 million, all right? So it's real simple. They're paying them a fee to do all the work, get it all done for them, and make sure it's done correctly. It's very simple. So you, as an affiliate, if you refer this business to the company, you get 10% of that fee, which means, in this case, you would make $40,000 commission. Now, I know that this seems like, oh my gosh, too good to be true, can't possibly, it's not. It's just not. Like, I have students right now who have commissions owed to them that are almost 5 times that amount on one deal. Now, you do not get your commissions until the business owner gets their check, and then they pay this company that did the work for them their fee, and then the company that you will be an affiliate of pays you your commission. That's the way it works. But I currently have students that have pending commissions owed to them right now that are 4.5 times what I just showed you. I mean, it's incredible. If you want to learn how to do this, there's a link right below this video. I give you a completely free course. Let me show you what the course looks like. It looks just like this. When you click the link below this video, you will get access to this right here completely free. It is like session 1. I show you how to sign up to become an ERC affiliate right here. Look, you just click that link, you sign up, it's free. It's free to become an ERC affiliate. I show you and I walk you through the whole thing. Here's how this program works. Here's how you actually do this. We have a Facebook group that has over 8,000 people in it. You can join that Facebook group. We have a Telegram channel that has thousands of people in it. You can join that. All of this is free. You are joining a community of people completely free, okay? Completely free. In fact, I'll click on the Facebook group thing now, and I'll just show you, like, this is the inside of the Facebook group, right? And so here's the deals. I mean, these are some of the featured section shows some of the deals that people have gotten. You know, there are things, people always think I have fake accounts. There are things here like where I go live with our students that have done well, that have made money with this. You can see it's very active, 33 comments here. I mean, there's tons and tons and tons of this, tons and tons and tons of people. If you look, there are 8,100 members in this. 8,100 members, right? You need to be one of them, and you can whenever you click the link that you see right below. You will get a completely free course that outlines exactly how this is done. And then you will get access to the community of over 8,000 people that are doing this right now. Over 8,000 people that are learning this completely free. I didn't say you had, did you see where it asked you to buy anything? Nothing. Completely free. If you want an opportunity that comes along, I'm telling you, like once in a lifetime, this is it. I've been doing affiliate marketing for almost 20 years. I've never seen a program where you can earn big commissions, where you don't have to sell anything, and where you literally don't have to sell it. You don't have to sell, so there's no selling. The companies don't have to spend any money at all, and there's no risk. It's like a little unicorn. And here's the thing, that unicorn has an expiration date. In about 2 years' time, a little less than 2 years now, I think 740 days, I think is what it was when we started filming this. This program goes away. Government programs like this are not around forever. It goes away. Do you want to tap into it now? Or do you want to let it just pass you by? It's completely up to you. But this does have an expiration date. It is so simple for you to tell business owners that you know in your local area how to do this. Like, hey, did you know that you could possibly qualify for this? Let me hook you up with this company and they can help you, right? If you don't live in the United States, it's okay. Bernie, she's one of the ones that you probably saw when I clicked on the Facebook group. She lives in Australia. She's one of our top affiliates, one of our top students. She lives in Australia, and she's in there teaching every Monday everybody how to do what she's doing. How is she crushing it from the other side of the world, right? So it doesn't matter where you live, doesn't matter who you are. You can do this if you're willing to open your mouth. You do not have to have tech experience. You don't have to run Facebook ads. You don't have to film videos. You don't have to do any of that stuff. Just follow what I teach you in this course, learn the basics, and I'm telling you, it's just a word of mouth thing, right? And there's no selling involved. This is an opportunity for you to actually win, right? You can win. And here's the thing, if you lose, all you've lost is time because nobody's charging you anything. Click the link, get the free course. You've probably never seen anything like this where it's truly free, but I'm telling you when you click it that we're not going to ask you for any money. And what I would love for you to do is if you get that free course right now below, I would love for you to type in the comments below, it's really free. The course is really free. If you could just please put those comments. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to have my team go in here and select one person that leaves me a comment that says it's really free, and we're going to give you a $100 cash prize. Just for doing that. We'll tag you and we'll leave a reply under there. I want you to just say it's really free because I want other people that watch this to see that it really is free. Once you click that link and you go through and you create your account, it's free, right? And it's free for a reason. I make money when you make money. That's how this works. You're getting an affiliate commission. I just get a second tier. The more people I can teach this, the more money I can make. The more successful you can be, the more successful I'm going to be. That's how it works. There's the aha moment right there. Just click the link. Click the link, get the course, get started with this. I'm telling you right now, there are people crushing it with this that have struggled with some of our other trainings, struggled with affiliate marketing, but all of a sudden this fits like a glove, and it fits like a glove because you don't have to know any internet marketing to make it work. Click the link, get the free course. Make sure you like this video so we can share this with other people. So click that like button for me right now, and I'll see you next time with another affiliate marketing training.